Welcome back to Financial Works, the channel where we help you find the best ways to make money online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can become an online researcher and earn up to $60,000 a year by finding and providing information for various projects. Online research is a great way to make money online if you have good research and analytical skills. You can use your knowledge and expertise to help people solve their problems, answer their questions, or complete their tasks. You can work from anywhere, anytime, and on any topic that interests you. Sounds awesome, right? But how do you get started as an online researcher? Well, there are two main ways to find online research jobs: using platforms or offering services. Using platforms means that you sign up for websites that connect researchers with clients who need information. Some of the most popular platforms for online research are Wonder. Wonder is a platform that allows you to get paid for answering complex questions from businesses and individuals. You can choose from a variety of topics such as market research, academic research, legal research, etc. You can earn between $8 and $16 per question, depending on the difficulty and urgency. To join Wonder, you need to pass a quiz and a trial assignment. Just Answer. Just Answer is a platform that allows you to get paid for answering simple questions from customers who need expert advice. You can choose from a variety of categories such as health, law, finance, etc. You can earn between $5 and $30 per question, depending on the category and rating. To join Just Answer, you need to have a verified credential in your field and pass a background check. Experts 123. Experts 123 is a platform that allows you to get paid for writing articles or answering questions on various topics. You can choose from a variety of categories such as business, education, lifestyle, etc. You can earn between $10 and $20 per article or between 5 cents and 10 cents per answer, depending on the quality and popularity. To join Experts 123, you need to submit a sample article and pass an editorial review. These are just some examples of platforms that you can use to find online research jobs. There are many more out there, so feel free to explore and find the ones that suit your skills and preferences. Offering services means that you create your own profile or website and market your skills directly to potential clients who need information. Some of the most popular platforms for offering services are Fiverr. Fiverr is a platform that allows you to create gigs and offer your services for a fixed price starting from $5. You can create gigs for any type of online research such as market research, academic research, legal research, etc. You can set your own rates, delivery time, and requirements. To join Fiverr, you just need to sign up and create your profile. Upwork. Upwork is a platform that allows you to bid on projects and offer your services for an hourly or fixed price. You can bid on projects for any type of online research such as market research, academic research, legal research, etc. You can set your own rates, availability, and portfolio. To join Upwork, you need to create your profile and pass a verification process. These are just some examples of platforms that you can use to offer your services as an online researcher. There are many more out there, so feel free to explore and find the ones that suit your skills and preferences. The startup cost for becoming an online researcher is very low. You basically just need a computer with internet access and some software and tools that can help you with your research such as Google Docs, Excel, PowerPoint, etc. Depending on the type of research you do, you may also need some subscriptions or memberships to access certain databases or sources of information such as Statista, LexisNexis, JSTOR, etc. The startup cost can range from $0 to $50 depending on what you already have or need. The average yearly income for an online researcher depends on many factors such as the hours you work, the rates you charge, the quality of your work, the demand for your skills, etc. According to some estimates, the average yearly income for an online researcher can range from $20,000 to $60,000. Of course, these are just averages and not guarantees. Your income may vary depending on your experience level, niche market, client base, etc. The key to making more money as an online researcher is to constantly improve your skills, expand your network, and deliver high-quality work. So, there you have it. That's how you can make money online by being an online researcher. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.